prices are up 14.7% from last year and up 11.9% from February. It's Friday, March 24th, 2023, and offices in the City of Annapolis are closed today to recognize Maryland Day. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. Home prices in 21403 are up the highest by a median 27% since last year, followed by 21409 up 14.2% and 21401 up 3.7% over 2022. So what is available to buy in Annapolis right now? Homes for sale dropped to 83 in all three zip codes for Annapolis. 21401 has 33 for sale, with 11 going to contract over the past week. 21403 has 38 for sale, as 7 went to contract, and 21409 has 12 for sale, while 4 went to contract since last week. 20 homes are coming soon, up by 1 since last report. 3 new listings hit the market, 11 went under contract, 8 moved to pending, 15 sold in just 12 median days at 97.1% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was in Chesapeake Landing for $2,500,000. Rental inventory fell to 17 homes for a lease at $3,200 median per month and going under lease in 17 days. What's on your mind about our local market? Message me your questions. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 24th, 2023. Be sure to catch a few films for this year's Annapolis Film Festival. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you next week.